I'm going to show you how to create multiple YouTube channels off one account. First off, you're going to click your profile pic at the top right. From there, you're going to click on YouTube Studio or Settings. We're going to click on YouTube Studio. Once YouTube Studio loads, you're going to click Settings in the bottom left. Once that loads, you're going to click Channel and go to Advanced Settings. You're going to scroll all the way down to Manage YouTube Account. Then you're going to click Add or Manage Your Channels. From there, it's going to give you an option to create a channel. Click that. Now put in your name for your channel. I'm going to do LaMelo Ball. It'll create the handle for you. But if you want to choose your own, you can edit it. Now you're going to press Create Channel. It'll take a little bit to load. And then this is your new channel. Keep in mind that this is linked to your original email. Now, if you want to go back to your old channel, you just have to click your profile pic and do Switch Account. And now you can go back to your original channel. That's all.